Hello everyone, we are talking about Laravel Fortify. It's time to set it up. Just create Laravel new project and call it what you want. Fortify demo. After that, go to your browser and search Laravel Fortify. Okay, just click laravel.com and here we can see Fortify documentation. Okay, installation just copy. Composer require Laravel Fortify. Just copy. Okay, now paste. Composer require Laravel Fortify. Okay, just need to go and open my project. Open folder. Okay, after open Laravel project, after running the command composer require Laravel Fortify, we are going to our browser. Laravel Fortify. After that, we need to publish. We need to make vendor publish. Just copy and paste. PHP artisan vendor publish. Run it. Okay. Now you can see Fortify service provider here. There are 45 service provider. Okay, you can go to config. You can see fortify.php. Here there are guard web, password users. Here if you want you can change it to username. If you want to use username, you can it can stay like that. Okay, here we have a home, a home public const home, the value of home. Okay, here we see prefix. For example, if you want to show users or you want to preface your user page by user users slash, for example, edit, you you need to specify prefix here. You need to write users. You can make it to out. For example, out before access into your login route. You just need to write here out. Okay, we are okay. We will let it to default. Okay, Here we have middleware web. Yeah, you can see login, two factor. Okay, true. For example, to explain it, okay, here in the comment, here you may specify if the route returning views should be disabled as you may not need them when building your own application. This may especially true if you are writing a custom single page application. Okay, just go to your console and write PHP artisan route list. Oh, okay. Okay, let's compact it. I will clear the console. Okay, PHP artisan root list compact. Okay, for example here, if you are building a single page application or API, you can edit login. But if I set the value to false, okay, we'll run in PHP artisan root list again. Okay, PHP artisan root list. Okay, here you can see here you have only post for login, for example, and here we have two posts and ahead you can see register. Well, I'm going to say Control Z. Okay, here there are feature. If you want, you can enable email verification or disable it. Just go to your console, clear the console. Okay, for example, uh, I already execute PHP artisan route list. You can see PHP artisan route list, PHP artisan route list. And if I comment these, you can see the email verification route. Okay, email. If you want, you can disable all the future, or for example, I will disable this future and comment it. Run PHP artisan route list. Now you can see we have less routes, and here there are more thing to do. Okay, go to fortify.php. We will let it to default. Make sure that your server is running. Okay, okay, the error is simple. Now there is a solution. I just need to go to app service provider.php file. I will copy this, copy, okay, app, app provider, app service provider.php, boot, just copy and just paste it. Okay, now I need to import a user illuminator support facade schema. Copy, go to your browser, No, go to your code editor and paste it here. Okay, save, and now you can run again PHP artisan migrate. But now I'll do PHP artisan migrate fresh to delete and to recreate the new table. Okay, now when I run my SQL route, you can see use fortify demo. Okay, show tables, user table, describe users. Okay, you can see we have here two-factor secret, two-factor authentication columns, two-factor secret, and two-factor recovery code. Okay, you have successfully set Fortify. See you in the next video.